Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian, and today I want to show you how to take an old pair of jeans from this to this. So instead of buying some new shorts for summertime, why not take an old pair of jeans that you don't wear, or maybe it's your boyfriend's or your husband's or your dad's or some guy's pair of pants, and turn them into something new, like some summer shorts. It's super easy, no sewing is required. I'll shut up and let's get into it. So here's what you need to start out. A pair of jeans, scissors, something to mark on the jeans, whether it be fabric pencil, chalk, a marker, whatever you got, seam ripper, I think that's what this is called, a ruler, and that's it for right now, for the cutting process. These pair of jeans I got at the thrift store, they're Levi's. Honestly, Levi jeans are my favorite to cut and make into shorts because they are a thicker material. They fray the best. First thing you want to do is put the jeans on. You want to take a pencil or chalk or something and mark exactly where you want it, but a little bit longer, because once you fray them, they're going to get shorter. You want to lay them out, because now I'm going to take the ruler and just help me get a nice clean line. I used to do this without a ruler and my lines would always come out really janky, so I would say use a ruler if you can. I want them to come like up a little bit to show a little thigh. So I'm angling it up and then I'm going to mark where I want this to be cut. Now with my scissors, I'm just going to cut along the line. If there are pockets on the inside, pull them out just so you don't cut the pockets. So now I'm going to take this, which is a thread, a seam ripper. So this is very sharp. You want to be careful. A lot of people just throw them into the wash, and usually the jeans will fray a little bit on their own. But I like to fray them myself because I like a lot of fray, and this will give me the control to do that. So I just work at the bottom. I take a little bit of the fabric, kind of slice it right through the edge. Like rip it. I'm essentially ripping it. And this will start to create some fray. I'm just gonna do this all the way across, front and back. But all you need is like some good music and or a good TV show and you're set. All right, so we had frayed the pants, and let me tell you, the fraying is what takes the longest. I then take my seam ripper and I just kind of put little holes randomly, and same thing, I fray the edge of the hole. I'm also gonna come along the pocket and fray this a little bit. Ow, stabbing it and stabbing my finger. Show it who's boss. Yeah, my bitch. Once you're done fraying, this is when you would want to wash them, because when you wash them, the fray is going to get a little bit more intense. But since I don't have a washer here, I'm just going to move on to the next step, which is now decorating. This is a patch set that I got at the swap meet, aka flea market, aka I think I saw these on Amazon. They're just iron-on patches, so I think I'm going to add like a little rose. I also have some studs, which I'll get into in a minute, Amazon. But let's start with the patch. I think I'm going to do this one like right on the butt. Woo! These are called pyramid spots, but they have little like 2 prongs on each side of them. So you punch them through the material and then you close the clamp on them, and you got some easy decoration. So with these things, you can plan them out and dot with your fabric pencil, like where you want them to go if you want it to be really precise. Or you could just kind of do what I did and just start stabbing it in there. One thing I did in the past on a pair of shorts was I used some super glue, something really strong, and just did a little dot on the back of each one, because sometimes when you wash the clothes, these will pop off. I also have this I got off of Amazon, which is the coolest thing ever, but it's a bunch of different size safety pins. I'm gonna put them in here. Once you've got all the decorations done, then that's it, you're all done. You can wear them out and there you go. You took your ugly pants and made them into shorts. Let me know what you think down below, and also if you do make a pair of shorts, tag me in your pictures. I would love to see them. I also have another version of these shorts where I use dye and bleach. So if you want to see that version, like advanced or intermediate version of this, let me know down below. I hope you have a good day today, make good choices, and make some shorts. Bye!